My name's David Purchase. I'm 21 years old. I'm a mortgage broker in Ontario and an angel investor with Purchase Realty Group. I've been a member of the Professional Real Estate Investors Group of Canada for just over 6 months now. Since being a member, I have purchased almost $800,000 worth of real estate. After completing the Flipping for Profit training in December of 2019, I was able to locate and purchase a deeply discounted property in North Bay, sight unseen. I was able to help the seller and his family re-establish their credit, downsize to a better location, and provide them with enough money to continue their lives. At the same time, I made a 71% return on my investment within a month. I'm very grateful for Mr. Navtaj Chanhok's training and mentoring. I'm now able to recognize new opportunities everywhere. I'm glad to say my financial future is bright, and I highly recommend the Flipping for Profit training and Navtaj's mentoring for anyone looking to give themselves a fast track to financial freedom.